but forever slipped away. Now we're standing in the wreckage of the love we couldn't save. I feel your echo in the stillness, like a ghost inside my chest. Even pain can feel like closeness when you're haunted by the rest. Hearts don't break alone. When we fall together. Even if we're torn, we still remember every letter. You and I were carved in stone, 'cause hearts don't break alone. Every fight we lit a fire, but we never meant to burn. Now we're dancing in the ashes, both with lessons left to learn. I still see your eyes in lightning, hear your voice behind the rain. Even time can't keep us hiding from the echoes of our name. Hearts don't break alone. When we fall together. Even if we're torn, we still remember every letter. You and I were carved in stone, 'cause hearts don't break alone. 'Cause hearts don't break alone. We tried to heal, we tried to run, but love like ours can't be undone. If I'm hurting, so are you. This pain is something we both knew. Final break alone. We're a story still unfinished. Even when we've grown, there's a part that won't diminish. No goodbye can stand alone, 'cause hearts don't break alone. 'Cause hearts don't break alone. 'Cause hearts don't break alone. We don't break alone. When we fall together. Even if we're torn, we still remember every letter. You and I were carved in stone, 'cause hearts don't break alone. 'Cause hearts don't break alone. 'Cause hearts don't break alone.